Hello student, I believe that you are all well. It is drizzling, a cold wind enter through my windows and make me very cold and calm. Today I shall discuss a new chapter, Redemption of Preferential. But before discussing this chapter, I shall share few ideas of me. That is, I shall say first in Bengali. যে নদী হারায় স্রোত চলিতে না পারে সহস্র শৈবাল দাম বাঁধিয়াছে তারে. That means if a river lost its wave, then different waste store and its flow is discontinued. I repeat it. That means if a river lost its wave, then different waste store and its flow is discontinued. Our life is like that. If we do not continue our work, then there will be hardly possibility of our development. So all this, there are so critical situation, we have to continue our studies. For this reason, I have taken few initiative for the continuation of your studies. And now I am going to discuss a new chapter, name is Redemption of Preference Share. Redemption of Preference Share. Now, before discussing, I shall discuss with you what do you mean the share. Actually, share is the part of the share capital of a joint stock company. It is the source of long-term fund of a company. That means through the sale of the share, a company collect its fund. There are two types of share. One is equity share, other is preference share. There are two types of share. One is equity share, other is preference share. Equity share, which are not preference share. Holder of equity share are actual owner of the business. Dividend is paid after the payment of the dividend to the preference share. Dividend means share of profit. Or preference share, in case of preference share, a fixed rate of dividend is to be paid when company is going smoothly, and the dues of preference share will be paid first prior to the equity share when company goes to liquidation. That means in case of preference share, a fixed rate of dividend is to be paid when company is smoothly run, and when company goes to liquidation, the dues of preference share will be paid first. Okay. Another point you must remember, preference shareholder enjoy no voting rights, but equity shareholder enjoy the voting rights of a company. Now, what do you mean by redemption of preference share? Redemption of preference share means repayment of the dues of the preference shareholder. It means to repay back the dues of the preference shareholder either on a fixed date or after certain period of time. That means suppose you are a preference shareholder, you contributed fund in a company, and after certain period company must refund your fund, and that is known as the redemption of preference share. Do you understand? Now there are few provision regarding the redemption of preference share as per Companies Act 2013. There are few provision regarding the redemption of preference share as per Companies Act 2013. What are those provisions? Number 1, no company can issue irredeemable preference share. No company can issue irredeemable preference share. Irredeemable means the preference share which cannot be redeemed, cannot be repaid. Company is liable to redeem the preference share within maximum 20 years. That is, if a company issue a preference share today, then company must redeem it within 20 years from today. Share cannot be redeemed unless that are fully paid. That is, no partly paid preference share cannot be redeemed. Share can be redeemed either from fresh issue of equity share or preference share or out of profit. That means for the redemption of preference share, company needs fund. How company get the fund? From issue of fresh share, equity or preference, or from out of profit. When preference share are redeemed out of profit, an equal amount will be transferred to the capital redemption reserve. That means suppose rupees 5 lakh is redeemed and rupees 2 lakh is collected from issue of fresh share, then rupees 3 lakh will be transferred to capital redemption reserve account. Certain case we can see that preference share are redeemed at premium. That means share of rupees 100 is paid more than rupees 100. That is known as share redeemed at premium. In such a case, premium on redemption shall be provided out of the profit of the company. There are also SEBI's guidelines I shall discuss later. Now I am going to discussion about the journal entries. First, there may have sale of any asset. If there are sale of any asset, the journal entry will be bank account debit, PL account debit if there is loss, to assets account and to PL account if profit. Suppose an investment of rupees 2 lakh sell at rupees 1 lakh 80, then bank account debit 1 lakh 80, PL account debit 20 and investment will be 2 lakh. Then issue of fresh equity or preference share. Then journal entry will be bank account debit, discount on share account debit if it is issued on discount, to preference oblique equity share capital, to security premium. Then preference share capital transferred to preference shareholder account for the redemption. Then journal entry will be preference share capital account debit, premium on redemption account debit if there is any premium, to preference shareholder. So for preference share capital transfer, journal entry will be preference share capital account debit, premium on redemption account debit to preference shareholder. Then transfer of premium, the journal entry will be security premium account debit, PL account debit, other reserve account debit to premium on redemption. So for premium on redemption, security premium oblique PL or other reserve account debit to premium on redemption. Then amount transferred to capital redemption reserve. The journal entry will be security premium account debit, PL account debit, other reserve account debit to capital redemption reserve. Then payment to preference shareholder, journal entry will be preference shareholder account debit to bank. So that is first journal entry, bank account debit, PL account debit to asset if asset is sold. Then for fresh issue, bank account debit, discount on share account debit to equity or preference share capital to security premium. Then for redemption, preference share capital account debit, premium on redemption account debit to preference shareholder. Then for premium, security premium, PL, other reserve account debit to premium on redemption. Then amount transferred to CRR, capital redemption reserve. Then journal entry will be says reserve, security premium, PL account debit to CRR. Then payment to preference shareholder, journal entry will be preference shareholder account debit to bank. These are the all about the journal entry. Now what amount will be transferred to the preference shareholder? For this I have written in formula. Amount transferred to CRR equal to amount of redemption of preference share minus fresh issue of equity or preference share. Suppose company redeem preference share of rupees 5 lakh and for this company issue fresh share rupees 3 lakh, then CRR will be 5 lakh minus 3 lakh equal to 2 lakh. I hope you can understand if it is listen it carefully. Thanks to everyone.